Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look. I am just basically diving into fall, just going in with grungy looks, you know, dark lip. There will be some nude lip, you know, down the road, but right now I am just head first to fall. I know fall is like right around the corner. I know I live in Florida, so for us it's just like summer, you know, all year round. But it's kind of like the excuse to wear boots here in Florida. Like I said, even though here it's just summer all year round, it's just a little excuse, you know, to wear boots. So yeah, if you're interested on seeing this makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so that was the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give me any comments or anything like that in the comment section down below. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I really don't post that much, but I'm trying really hard to post more often, at least like 2 videos a week or 3. I mainly do makeup tutorials. It's what I like, it's what I love. And if you are a subscriber of mine, welcome back. I know I've been gone for a while. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you guys on my next video, and thank you so much for watching.